Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. There's no place like drone for the holidays. Merry Christmas. Got that coming right up. Valerie and I would like to extend season's greetings and a very Merry Christmas to each and every one of you out there. Thank you so much for your continued support of Bill the Drone Reviewer. Got a lot of great things coming up in 2019 and got a video or two coming up to explain what's going on with that. Hope you have a wonderful Christmas day. Hope you're able to enjoy some great food, time with family and friends, and truly experience the peace that the baby that was born in Bethlehem over 2,000 years ago brought to the entire world. Question of the day. Did you get anything drone related for Christmas, or did you give anything drone related for Christmas? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Remember, it's not only a great day to fly, it's also a great day to pay it forward. Merry Christmas, everyone.